Hi guys, so today we're going to just have a quick look at creating glitch art using TextEdit on a Mac computer. So the first thing that we want to do is just to choose the image that we're going to work with. So today I'm just going to use this picture, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the image and just create a duplicate, and that's just so that any changes that we make to the image won't be saved in our original picture, so we'll be able to keep the original. I'm just going to copy that over onto the desktop, and I'm going to open it up, and it automatically opens up in preview on Mac computers. So I'm just going to make that smaller and have that over here so that we can see our image and we can watch what happens to it as we make changes to the code. And now what I'm also going to do is right click on our picture and go to open with, and I want to open it with TextEdit. So I'm going to go to Other, and then I'm just going to scroll down and find TextEdit. Okay, and now what we have here is the code for the image. Alright, and so basically all that we need to do to create glitch art is just to have an experiment with this code. So we can cut and paste and make changes to the code, and as we'll see in a moment, that will start to make changes in the image. Alright, the one thing that I would say is that it's best if we leave the first part of the code and the last part of the code alone and we don't make any changes there. So I'm just going to scroll down and choose a section of the code. I'm going to get quite a large section and just delete that. Once we make a change, we need to save it, so I'm just going to use the shortcut Command S to save that change, and then we can see in our image something really interesting has already happened. So we have got a glitch that has occurred. So what I might do now is I might have a play typing my name into the code. And I'm just going to copy that using the shortcut, so Command C. And I might have a go using Command V just to paste that throughout the code a few times, because it can be quite interesting to see what your name looks like in the code of an image. So let's just have a go doing that. And remember, we need to click Command S to save that change. Okay, so we've just got a little bit of something interesting happening up here, but that was fairly subtle. If you want to undo something, then of course we need to just use Command Z to undo. So if you've made a change to the image that you don't really like, you're going to use Command Z to get rid of it, save it again, and we can see we've undone what we have just done. Now another really fantastic thing that we can do with coding is that we can just paste large sections of text into the code. So if you have a favorite poem or perhaps some favorite song lyrics, we can actually use those and put them into the code. So here I've got some song lyrics that I've looked up. I'm just going to copy that section there. I'm going to have a go pasting that into the code. I might just go down, put it there, and I might have a go deleting a section and replacing it with my song lyrics. I might put a couple of those in there. Oh, I'm doing P's now. Paste. Alright, let's have a look at what that looks like. Cool. Okay, awesome. So we can see now actually that some color change is happening. Yeah, so we've got some really interesting things that are already happening with this image. Fantastic. So have a go yourself.